If you're considering going solar, one crucial question you might have is how long do solar panels last? In this guide, we'll explore the expected lifespan of solar panels, the factors influencing their longevity, and essential maintenance tips to ensure optimal performance. Let's dive in. Solar panels are designed to last, typically exceeding 25 years. Many manufacturers offer warranties ranging from 20 to 25 years, a testament to the product's durability. It's important to note that while their lifespan is long, solar panels may experience a slight decline in efficiency over time, typically less than 1% per year. Several factors influence the lifespan of solar panels. Let's explore them. Quality of materials and manufacturing. High-quality panels made by reputable companies using top-notch materials have a longer lifespan. These panels can withstand harsh weather conditions and other environmental factors. Climate and weather conditions. The environment where your panels are installed can impact their longevity. Extreme temperature fluctuations, heavy snow, or hail may shorten their lifespan. Maintenance and cleaning. Proper maintenance and cleaning play a crucial role in extending your panel's life. Regularly removing dirt, debris, and snow improves efficiency and prevents potential damage. Solar panel degradation rate. Solar panels lose efficiency over time, known as the degradation rate. The industry average is 0.5% to 1% per year, but some high-quality panels have rates as low as 0.3%. To maximize the lifespan of your solar panels, follow these essential maintenance tips. Inspect panels periodically. Check your panels for dirt, debris, or damage at least once or twice a year. Look for cracks, loose connections, or discoloration. Promptly address any issues to maintain peak performance. Clean gently. Use a soft brush, mild soap, and water to remove dirt, dust, and bird droppings. Clean early in the morning or late afternoon when panels are cooler to avoid sudden temperature changes that could cause damage. Avoid abrasive tools or harmful chemicals. Monitor system performance. Keep an eye on your inverter display or use monitoring software provided by your solar installer. Tracking energy production helps identify sudden drops or consistent underperformance, indicating potential issues requiring attention. Contact your installer or maintenance provider if anomalies are detected. Consult professionals. Seek advice from a professional solar installer or maintenance provider if you're unsure about maintenance or cleaning. Their expertise ensures optimal performance and longevity. Regular inspections can identify issues early, preventing costly damage and ensuring efficient operation. In conclusion, solar panels generally last over 25 years, with warranties of 20 to 25 years. While efficiency may decline slightly, understanding factors affecting lifespan and proper maintenance ensure reliable and efficient solar energy for years to come. Ensure long-lasting solar performance. Consult our experts today.